New fingerprint animation, available on Samsung One UI 8.5 update. You can change the fingerprint animation effect to any Samsung phone running One UI 8.5 using this tutorial. Let's see how to change it. Open the Good Lock app on your phone. You can download it from Galaxy Store or Play Store. Tap the LockStar module. Make sure updated with the latest version to apply new fingerprint animation effect. Tap on the fingerprint icon on your screen. You can see the list of 5 different fingerprint animation available. Make sure to toggle on Show Animation when unlocking to view animation style when unlock your Samsung Galaxy device. Tap any animation you want to set and tap Done in the top right corner. You can see this pop-up message on the screen. Changes applied to lock screen. Lock your Samsung phone and unlock it with your fingerprint to view the new animation effect. And that's all about new fingerprint animation unlock on latest Samsung One UI 8.5 devices.